Now, have you ever gone to the hardware store to look at toilet seats? I tell you, there's a whole wall of toilet seats. There could be, oh, I don't know, 25 different toilet seats to pick from. You're like, which one do I really need? Which one can I get? Which is better than the others? So forth and so on. Now, this toilet is about 25 years old. Okay, at least 25 years old. And I can tell this is a heavy, fake kind of wood toilet seat, and I'm surprised it's still lasting, because if you ever let these toilet seats slam, you have a tendency this could crack off here and that. But it's heavy, and that's why it's worn. See how it's worn in there? And it's worn right down there. This is a finish that's put on a hard laminate fake wood toilet seat. Okay, I would never replace this one with another one this heavy. Okay, so that's why when we were at the store, I got one that's heavy plastic, and I wanted bright white because the toilet's bright white. You always got to look, because did you know toilet seats are different colors? You can get an almond, an off-white, and you can get different colors too, if that's what you really want. But I like to go white on white. And I see on this toilet seat, see it says elongated toilet seat. What does that mean? That means that it's like shaped like an egg. When you look at this, do you see how it's not round? It's kind of oblong. That's called elongated. So you always have to look at your toilet seat to make sure whether or not it's an elongated toilet seat, or in the old days it was just round. Okay, and of course they've got the round ones at the store too. And see, this one here says white finish. And the thing I like about this one, oh, where is it? Come on. Okay, here it is. Soft close. Plastic construction, fits elongated bowl toilets. Soft close. That means I used to call those self-closing toilet seats. The first time I made a video of replacing one of these, I called it a self-close, and somebody said, "Hey Joe, that's not a self-closing toilet seat. You still have to push it down. Yes, you still have to let go of it, but then it goes down slow. It's never going to slam." And that's the kind I would always recommend putting down, especially if you have kids. You don't want them dropping the toilet seat in the middle of the night, or playing around. They drop the seat and then it cracks the plastic. Even heavy plastic ones I've seen crack before. Okay? And so when you look at the store, you've got to look around. They've got toilet seats. They've got toilet seats from $20 to $55, $60. Can you believe that? Well, this toilet seat with the soft close was less than $30. This one happens to be from Project Source. You don't have to get it from Project Source. That just happens to be what Lowe's had. And they had another one too. This one was $26.98, I think. And then they had another soft close, elongated toilet seat, white, exactly like this. It was $42. I'm like, what's the difference? You know, this was probably going to last as long as the other one. And so I got this one. It's less than $30. Okay? And we're going to be installing that. If you've never installed a toilet seat before, and that's okay. That's why I'm making this video. You can be a DIY beginner knowing nothing about a toilet. Don't pay somebody to replace your toilet seat, or don't leave a toilet seat that's cracked, or that's missing one of these little prongs, you know, in here. So when you sit down on it, it wobbles, or it's loose and you don't know how to tighten it up. You know, watch this video, would you? And even if you have a toilet seat that's loose, you'll see from this whole thing, from start to finish, how you go about tightening up a toilet seat. And then you can slide it around. Maybe your toilet seat here is pushed way over to the right, or pushed way over to the left, or something like that, and it's wonky, and it slides back and forth and stuff. Nothing doing. Come on, you're better than that. And you can be a DIY beginner. That's why I make all my videos. In fact, most of the videos that I ever show on, anytime you see one of my videos, is designed for you in mind. Somebody who doesn't really know anything. I go through details, I explain stuff, I show things, and I'm just an average Joe too. So I'm not a professional plumber. You don't have to be a professional plumber, okay, to replace the toilet seat. And just keep watching this, and I'll show you how to do it yourself.